Sing and dance, it's time to play. Healthy habits from A to Z every day. A is for always brush your teeth so white. B is for bedtime, sleep through the night. C is for clean hands, wash away the dirt. D is for drinking water, quench your thirst. E is for eating fruits that grow on trees. F is for fitness, jump and freeze. G is for go outside, feel the breeze. H is for helping with gentle ease. I is for ignore the chips and fries. J is for jumping, reach the skies. K is for keep your books in line. L is for laughing, it feels so fine. M is for meditate, close your eyes. N is for no screens before goodbyes. O is for organize your toys and games. P is for posture, sit up with no shame. Q is for quiet, take a break. R is for reading tales you make. S is for saying thanks, be kind. T is for talking with peace in mind. U is for using kind words always. V is for visiting docs on health days. W is for washing hands real good. X is for exercise just like you should. Y is for yawning when sleep is near. Z is for zipping up jackets, winter's here. So clap your hands and sing with me. Healthy kids from A to Z. Live with joy and grow up right. Healthy habits feel just right.